Have you ever wondered how a simple combination of water, flavor, sweetness, and carbonation becomes the energy drink you see on store shelves? Welcome inside a massive modern beverage factory, where thousands of bottles are produced every hour through a highly automated process. It all begins with one of the most important ingredients, purified water. Before production starts, the water passes through multiple filtration and purification systems. Every stage is carefully monitored to ensure consistent quality. Next, the beverage ingredients arrive at the factory. Sweeteners, flavors, food-grade acids, coloring ingredients, and other carefully measured components are prepared according to a precise recipe. Inside enormous stainless steel mixing tanks, these ingredients are combined to create a concentrated beverage base. Powerful industrial mixers keep everything moving until the mixture becomes completely uniform. The concentrated base is then blended with purified water. At this stage, precision is critical. Automated systems control the proportions, temperature, and flow to maintain the same taste in every batch. Before the drink reaches the bottles, samples are sent to the quality control laboratory. Technicians carefully test the beverage to make sure it meets strict production standards. But there is another fascinating process happening at the same time. The bottles themselves are being manufactured. Plastic preforms enter a high-speed bottle-blowing machine. Inside specially designed molds, compressed air expands each preform into its final bottle shape. Within seconds, hundreds of identical bottles are ready for production. The empty bottles are cleaned and transported along high-speed conveyor belts toward the filling line. Now comes one of the most important stages, carbonation. Carbon dioxide is carefully dissolved into the beverage under controlled pressure, creating the familiar bubbles and refreshing sensation of a carbonated energy drink. The carbonated beverage then enters a high-speed filling machine. Hundreds of bottles move around the filling carousel, while precision nozzles dispense exactly the right amount of drink into each bottle. Immediately afterward, automated machines place and tighten the caps. Every bottle must be perfectly sealed. Next, high-speed cameras inspect the bottles for defects. They check the liquid level, cap position, bottle shape, and overall appearance. Any bottle that fails inspection is automatically removed from the production line. The approved bottles continue toward the labeling station. Here, labels are applied with incredible precision as the bottles move rapidly along the conveyor. A coding machine then adds production and batch information to each bottle. But the inspection process isn't over yet. Workers in automated systems perform another series of quality checks before the finished products are approved for packaging. The bottles are then grouped into mu,